Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best key case is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who wants to keep their keys organized, secure, and easily accessible, preventing those frustrating moments of fumbling through pockets or bags. This innovative solution not only streamlines your daily routine by consolidating multiple keys into a sleek, compact design but also adds a touch of personal style, making it a practical yet fashionable addition to your everyday carry. Imagine never having to worry about jangling keys or misplaced essentials again. This is where the ultimate convenience meets sophisticated design. Number 5. Honda Key Fob Shell Replacement. Is your Honda key fob worn out or broken? This replacement shell is designed for select Honda models, offering a perfect fit for your Accord, Civic, Pilot, and CR-V. No need for a locksmith or cutting services. You can easily transfer your existing key blade and internal components to this new shell yourself. Please note, this is a shell replacement only. You will need to move your original circuit board, battery, and transponder chip into this new case. Give your old, cracked, or damaged key fob a new lease on life. Keep your original working internals and simply refresh its appearance and usability. Remember to transfer your transponder chip if your original key has one. This is crucial for starting your vehicle, so ensure it's moved to the new shell. Before purchasing, please compare your original remote's shape and button layout with the product images. Matching part numbers will ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This key fob shell is perfect for Honda owners with worn or broken key cases. It requires no cutting or locksmith, allowing for a simple DIY installation by transferring your existing internals. If you're looking to refresh your old key fob's appearance and functionality without hassle, this is the solution for you. What people say. The key organizer is very compact and fits perfectly in my pocket. It holds all my keys securely and prevents them from jingling. The build quality is excellent, feels very durable and well made. Number 4. HyperX Putting Keycaps, Full 104 Key Set. Experience your keyboard's RGB lighting like never before. These keycaps feature a dual-layer design that allows more light to shine through, creating a truly stunning visual effect. Crafted from durable double-shot PBT material, these keycaps are built to withstand wear and tear. Their thick walls resist friction and solvents, ensuring longevity. Featuring our signature bold font, these keycaps enhance visibility and legibility. The wider design allows more light to pass through, making each key easy to read. Installing your new keycaps is a breeze with the included stylish keycap removal tool. It's specially designed to perfectly fit these keycaps for a hassle-free experience. This full key set is compatible with HyperX and most mechanical gaming keyboards. They are designed to perfectly complement keyboards with exposed LED designs. What we like. Enhance your mechanical keyboard's aesthetics with these putting keycaps. The dual-layer translucent design allows your RGB lighting to shine through brilliantly, creating a stunning visual effect. If you love vibrant RGB lighting and want a durable, stylish upgrade for your keyboard, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The key organizer is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket. It holds multiple keys securely and prevents them from jingling. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. KeySmart Flex Key Holder. Are you tired of that bulky, uncomfortable keychain weighing you down? It's time for a change. Introducing the KeySmart Flex, the ultimate solution for organizing your keys. It's designed to be sleek and comfortable. This compact organizer keeps your keys neat and tidy, eliminating pocket bulge. Enjoy a minimalist, clutter-free experience. Despite its small size, it can hold up to 8 of your essential keys. Everything you need, perfectly organized. It's incredibly easy to use and fits comfortably in your pocket or bag. Upgrade your everyday carry with this essential accessory. What we like. Tired of bulky, noisy keychains? This key holder offers a minimalist, clutter-free solution for organizing up to 8 keys. If you value a sleek, quiet, and pocket-friendly way to carry your keys, this compact organizer is ideal for everyday use. What people say. The key organizer is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which feels sturdy and durable. It can hold up to 8 keys, and the compact design makes it easy to carry in your pocket. The keys can be easily accessed and flipped out, making it convenient to use. Number 2. KeySmart Quick Release Dual and Mini Carabiners. Introducing an innovative dual carabiner clip with a secure locking mechanism. It features 2 gates, one for your gear and another to attach to your belt loop or bag, ensuring everything stays put. Effortlessly attach and detach your car remotes, fobs, and everyday accessories. This small yet secure locking carabiner keeps your essentials organized and easily accessible. Crafted from solid industrial-grade stainless steel, this mini heavy-duty carabiner is built to last. Its secure clip design ensures long-term reliability for your keychain needs. Designed to seamlessly integrate with KeySmart compact key holders like the Pro, Classic, Rugged, and Flex. It also works perfectly with any other keychains and keyrings. We stand by our product with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty. If it breaks under normal wear and tear within the first 2 years, we'll replace it, guaranteed. What we like. This carabiner offers a secure and convenient way to attach and detach your keys and accessories. Its lockable design ensures your items stay put, while the quick release function provides easy access. If you need a robust and versatile clip for your backpack, belt loop, or to pair with a key organizer, this is a great option. What people say. The key organizer is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket. It holds all my keys securely and prevents them from jingling. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 1. KeySmart Air Keychain. Meet the KeySmart Air, the ultimate solution for organizing your keys. It's designed to keep everything neat and accessible. This premium keychain is compatible with Apple AirTag, offering peace of mind. You can easily track your keys if they get misplaced. It comfortably holds up to 5 keys, reducing bulk and eliminating jingles. Keep your essential keys securely in one place. Crafted with premium materials, it offers a sleek and durable design. It's built to withstand daily use while looking stylish. Upgrade your everyday carry with this innovative organizer. It's the smart and convenient way to manage your keys. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style. Get your KeySmart Air today and simplify your life. What we like. Never lose track of your keys again with this premium keychain that integrates seamlessly with Apple AirTag. It keeps your keys organized while allowing you to track their location. If you're an Apple user looking for a smart, secure, and stylish way to manage your keys and enhance their trackability, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The key organizer is compact and fits perfectly in my pocket. It holds multiple keys securely and prevents them from jingling. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.